Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can upload folders in Google Drive, so let's get right into it. Now, there are two ways of doing this on PC and only one on mobile, so I'll be first covering the method that you can use on both platforms, and then I'll be going over the one that you can do on PC. Now, to add a folder and to upload a folder on both platforms, what you need to do is launch the app or the site and go and click on new or the plus icon depending on the platform that you're using. Click on that and then click folder upload. This will open up your file manager as you can see. Then you need to just click the folder that you want, click upload, and make sure it has permissions. And as you can see, the entire folder has been uploaded into my drive, and it is as easy as that. As you can see, it is still uploading the items within it. I'll just cancel it and delete the folder, but that is pretty much it. Now on mobile, that is the only thing you can do. On PC, you literally just have to find the folder that you want, click it and copy it over, and that'll create a completely whole file. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.